see a lot of specifically interesting in there. I use jet engines like this in a lot of my projects.
Heat engines and work. This is the currently selected item.
I can see a lot of specifically interesting in the edge.
$37 to $800 was a stretched vert. This is a lesson about jet engine.
This is a lesson about jet engine to study how maintenance repair operation can be conducted.
A jet engine is a type of reaction engine discharging a fast-moving jet that generates thrust by jet propulsion combustion air-breathing jet engines.
Procedure. First step is this, second step is this, and third step is this.